Yeah, what's up, guys? I saw this post from the just concluded extreme praise by Victor Welt on Facebook, posted by Joshua Blessing, and I love the energy, I love the vibe, and I want you guys to feel it and tell me what you think in the comment section. Yeah, let's go. Hear that scream, guys. This is so good. Guys, that guitar sounds so good. Kudos to you guys.